How to Make Money as a Musician 2022. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. To live off your passion and turn a hobby into a lucrative business is an enormous achievement. But while it is easy to dream of being the next superstar or one of the leading names in the music industry who knows how to make money from music, it takes a lot of work to make your dream a reality. If you enjoy making music, this is one of the most fulfilling ways to make a living. Whether it's your full-time job or a lucrative side gig, you can get paid for listening to and selling your favorite music. In this video, we shall discuss exhaustively ways to make money with music or how to make money as a musician. Number 1. Writing songs. It's not common to sell songs outright, and that's probably a good thing. Who just wants to make a few dollars on a song that could become a big hit? Instead, you usually get mechanical royalties or performance fees. Mechanical royalties include a statutory rate of $0.0755 per song per unit manufactured. If the song you wrote is on 10,000 albums, you would make $755. Number 2. Sell band goods online. Selling band goods is one of the best ways to make extra money as a musician. With a fully automated merch store, you can generate income without spending time writing and performing music. Number 3. Collaborate with brands and other musicians. Many musicians earn additional money through secondary employment. There are a number of ways you can make money working together. Depending on what type of music you are making and what specific musical skills you have. Freelance websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Twine have posts for singers, producers, and seasoned instrumentalists. Number 4. Sell beats and samples. Oftentimes, if you're a producer, you can make money selling samples and beats as digital products. For some producers, this can even become their main form of income. Selling samples and beats can save you hours of work making music. Number 5. Teach music lessons or sell lessons. Not all musicians strive to be a global superstar. For some, training the next generation of artists is a bigger achievement than the Super Bowl halftime show. If you're interested in training others, Lecture Owl is a great place to apply to be a private music teacher. You can also create a music course on a number of online learning platforms. Number 6. Freelance music writing. Another way to make money as a musician is to make a few dollars freelancing about music. One way to get attention and gain valuable experience is to start your own blog. Gather as many readers as you can. Use this platform to show your talent when applying for freelance work. Freelance writers can generate up to $42,000 a year, but it takes time to build a name and a quality portfolio. Just like playing gigs, it takes time to get to the sweet spot of writing about music. Number 7. Create a website. Having a website or blog is a great way to showcase and even sell your music. You can also advertise your availability for gigs. Don't know where to start? You can use a platform specially designed for band websites like bandzoogle.com. It offers a free 30-day trial and plans starting at less than $10 a month. Number 8. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a good place to not only make money from your own music, but also to make money from free video courses. There you can find individual video courses with millions of views, like this guitar lesson for beginners. That can turn into a lot of money if you monetize your video tutorials. In addition to creating lessons, you can also record your performance and post the videos on YouTube. This strategy has helped many successful musicians and pop stars to be discovered. Number 9. Play live shows. Performing live is traditionally one of the best ways to make money as a musician, and also one of the best ways to sell merch. There are many avenues available to play live shows. These include traditional music venues, bars, restaurants, clubs, coffee houses, house concerts, colleges and universities, music festivals, or private events like weddings, corporate events, and other private parties. Number 10. Become a DJ. The most obvious way to make money as a DJ is to get paid to work in bars, clubs, and private parties. But you can make it serious business by branding, hosting big shows, selling merchandise, and getting endorsements. Depending on the venues you work at, you may be able to play some of your own pieces along with the popular requests. These are some ways which can earn you good money as a musician. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.